Okay, so I hope nasundan. Next command is the arc. So like the circle, it has many ways to draw the arc, no? Self-explanatory lang naman kung 3 point ba siya, start, center, end, and so on. So example, 3 point. First point, second point, and third point. Okay, may arc na. And then, let's say, end, start, end, and direction. Start, end, and direction. Okay, so that's it. Next is, by the way, you can pan the screen by just clicking your scroll button. Scroll button. Then next command is rectangle. So click lang. There are two types, no, rectangle and polygon. Start tayo with rectangle. First point, second point. Pwede naman first point, tapos type nyo ang at, putang nyo karon ng iyang length, and then with length na to is 20, comma, ang width na to is 15. Okay. Or pwede Japon nga, first point, second point. Ano lang, no? Next, we have polygon. Polygon naman, naka-ask siya diri if how many numbers of side, say 8 sides. Then select the center if it's inscribed in the circle or circumscribed about the circle. And then, ayan na, na-create na ang ato ang octagon. Okay, another polygon, let's say 6, circumscribed naman, and that one. Okay, dali lang, no? Next command, we have saan ito gani? Saan ito? Oops. Okay, sabagay ito, siya, no? Oops, saan ito? Okay, kanina ellipse. So same sa circle, pwede 2 point. Para naman axis and end. Pwede na siya kanina. So yan lang basic, no? And then other naman, pwede nimo siya ma-explore this one, no? Pwede ka maka-create og helix, spline, and mga construction line, which is dili kay naman siya importante kaning naa diri. Okay, so next is we have hatch naman, butangan nimo og pattern or color ang imong close boundaries. Example, this two, no? Hatch, click na to ang hatch, and then select the point and enter. Muna tayo hatch. Pwede na mag-change ang color. I-click lang ulit, magawas dari sa taas ang ribbon, and then you can choose if it's pattern, solid, gradient, and user defined. Let's say solid, color na lang yung hatag, no? Let's say gradient, meaning duha ka color, no? And you can choose the different design. Okay, then when we say pattern naman siya diri, no? If it's bricks, no? Okay, depende sa inyo, ha? Actually, pilihan na to example cross. Enter lang. Okay, masyadong masinsin ng cross, no? Paano naman siya i-change? So click lang, and then sa scale, this one, scale, pwede na to i-adjust yung scale 10 para medyo aesthetic. Okay, then you can always go back, change nimo ang color. Okay, nasundan so far. Anyway, you can always replay this video. Next, these are the basic. So kaya na ito maka-create of different object from these basic commands. Then paano naman siya i-modify? Example, move. Pwede siya move or M lang. Enter. Move. Select the object. Enter. Or aside from enter, you can use the space bar. Okay. Space base point and then move. Dali lang. Okay. Click this one or just type M. Enter. Select the object and then this one. Okay. Okay. By the way, there are two kinds of select. Kung mapansin nyo, if we click, don't drag ha. Click lang and then release. Click. Makita nyo and click sa baba. We have blue select, no? Or blue selection. Pero kung pabaliktad, from below to above, green. So, anong pinagkaiba? When we say blue select, kailangan nimo makover ng blue ang object na imong i-select. Like this one. Blue. Pero kung dili nimo siya makover, it will not be selected. Okay? So, kailangan whole kung blue imong gamit. But green will select biskan dili pa nimo siya makover. Bisan gamay lang. Okay? Select na niya. So, depende sa imong paggamit sa imong selection. Okay. Going back. Next, we have copy. Copy. Select lang copy or type CO and enter. Select the object, enter, and then move. Copy. Pwede naman ka mag-copy based on the point. This one. Copy. And ang imong base point, this one. Para ang next nimo is kato Japon. Same lang ang ilang distance. Okay? Next, stretch. Stretch naman ginagamit siya kung para dili ulit-ulit imong trabaho. Example, this one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. What? Example, na-create na nimo siya na ingani. What if ang instruction di ay na dapat ang kani siya, diri dapat siya doon sa right end. So we use the stretch. Stretch, click the stretch or type the S, enter, and then green select. And then enter, and then move. Okay? Select, stretch, and then move. Pero kung blue ang imong way sa pag-select, select, and then blue, dili siya ma-select, no? Pwede mo siya ma-select tanan, pero ma-move din mo tanan, no? So, better green select ka. Stretch, that one, or stretch. Okay, pwede mo stretch, or stretch again. Okay. By the way, example, paulit-ulit lang ang imuhang command, you are no longer need to type the command paulit-ulit. Pwede naman nga kung itong last ni mga command, just hit the enter and then ang last na command mo, kapihon na po ito niya last. So, para sa akong ginabuhat, since ang last command ako is stretch, so every time I select the enter, stretch ang gagawas na command. Okay? Next. You can always ask me online sa GC na to kung medyo nagalisod siya pa mo sa command sa AutoCAD. Next, we have rotate. Rotate naman is i-rotate niya to a certain base point and then pwede ka mag hatag kung unsa man ang imong angle of rotation. For example, we have himata og isa ka object. Okay, enter. Gusto ko kaninga triangle mag-rotate siya with respect sa diri nga vertex. Okay? So click the command or just type the arrow for rotate and then select the object, then the base point. Mag-select na siya, ay mag-rotate na siya. Depende sa imong i-create na angle. Pwede na to nga 45 degrees. The angle di ay is always counterclockwise. So 45, okay, nag-move siya, nag-rotate siya 45. Pero kung i-rotate nato siya by negative 45, mag-clockwise siya.